OMG, I love your makeup.
Oh, thank you so much. You're too sweet.
Are you, gonna say anything back?
I like your jacket.
No.
Huh?
Did you not notice my beat?
Very much did.
And?
Your daughter must be so proud.
What? I'm single and have no kids.
Oh, I thought you let your kid do your makeup.
How rude!
Okay, seriously, what am I supposed to say?
Return the compliment, of course. I was nice to you.
Well, I pride myself on honesty.
But I was nice to you.
Girl, you made the conscious decision to compliment my makeup, and I truly appreciate it, so I complimented your jacket.
Okay, the gay guy gets praised and suddenly reserves the right to judge everyone.
Your lash is wonky, your lipstick is smeared, and you reversed your contour and highlight. That was just a paragraph, but if you want me to open the library, I can start reading you. Again, love the jacket.